he going to roll over all by himself? He's a good boy. You can do it. Come on, there's a good boy. You can do it. Is he going to roll over? Is he? No, Mummy, I'm going to inspect the carpet first. And then I might roll over. Is he going to do it? There's a good boy. Yay! Good boy! Well done! Yay! Is he going to go back the other way? Can he go back the other way? Can he go back the other way? Mummy has to start it. But then he can do it. Go on, you can do it. Go on, you can do it. We just start it like that and then... Yay! Good boy! Well